all targets. Enemy UAV overhead.
What's going on here?
Oh shit, right here.
I'm away, I'm away. I have no plates for some reason still.
He might be up top, up here.
Yep.
I got movement.
He pieced.
Mark throwing grenade. Throwing grenade.
Yeah, they didn't get at least one of those dudes, but whatever. He's right on me. Yep. I'll just bait. It's fine.
Fuck.
I'll just get him low for you.
Hostile dropping into the area. Enemy
Thanks.
UAV overhead.
I'm not salty about it.
No, you sound completely unsalty.
Yeah. Oh. On the roof here.
Shit, I'm not over there.
I got
I ran the other way to find plates.
That's a kill.
I got a plate. His buddy's back. Which means he's probably here too. Probs. He's on the roof.
Oh, nope, nope, nope. He's inside. He was like over there in the window.
UAV overhead.
Good.
Gas is moving.
Burrito TV.
God,
They're
always.
running away. Right here though. Wow.
Fire.
What?
Top of building. Behind us. Blue.
Okay.
I'm dead.
You win this fight and you return to the front line. But if you lose, you're done.
He's fucking pushing me. You think he's gonna fucking angle the dangle, bro? He's probably fucking pushing me.
Lost the fight. Return.
Why did they give me the SKS? Did you get my money? Because I probably had a lot.
I'll be a distraction. Oh no, they're further back.
Yeah.
They're over there.
I'm moving.
They're like right here.
I'm moving.
Good.
They could be pushing. Yeah, they're right here.
I'm moving.
Wrecked. The other guy's out in the rocks. The other guy's out in the rocks. Broke his armor. He's behind that rock.
Stun out.
Friendly drop bag headed your way.
Nice.
Another guy floated in to the right. East. Well, the loadout's gone now, so.
Okay.
Got it. Are you shy a plate?
Yep.
Oh. I'm safe on the roof, but you better get over here quick.
I'm here. He's coming up the backside.
His buddy's down.
Out. Going in.
He's gonna res him. I don't know if self-revive anymore. Nice.
Oh shit, I'm getting shot at. Or you're getting shot at. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Can you come off this backside?
No, there's a lip here.
Shit.
Get mad at someone and compliment them at the same time. Should I do a dumb and go and get my stuff?
It's up to you.
doing
They
it.
may not think you're going there.
I'm doing a dumb.
Okay. I'm gonna also do a dumb. Sit here and try to get fucking armor.
I think they left, so.
Yep, he's up top. Beamed him. He went in the stairwell right here.
I'm moving.
His buddy's down.
Enemy
Down his
UAV
buddy.
overhead.
Going up, going up. Just about died.
Gas is inbound.
That was so close, dude. I would have quit the game right then and there.
Get to the safe zone.
Jesus.
Horses.
What up, girl? Okay, I will figure that out in a minute.
Bye.
Cause I am currently doing a thing.
This guy's up here.
I got movement.
Gas is moving.
Yep.
Up.
No, there's bodies
They're
down
above.
here, unless they just zipped up.
Watch out, there's something inside that wall. Right there! Right there! I downed him.
I knew
Enemy
it.
UAV overhead.
Oh, right here.
I need those plates.
Yep, grab him.
There we go. Right here. You really finished me like that. It's gonna close.
I can do it, I can do it, I can do it, I can do it.
Alright. Look at this dude. Look at this dude.
Ghost out.
He's right here, pushing. I meleeed him to death.
Okay, come to me. I'm pushing up to that bus.
There's a guy on the roof, I think.
Okay.
4 targets are still out there.
They're fighting each other.
Gas is
Oh, it's
closing
pushing
in.
towards us. This is
Locate
gonna
the
help
safe
us.
zone.
This is gonna be us.
Guy across the way.
Yep, another guy across the way.
Gas is closing in.
Can't stay here. Get to the safe zone.
Finish the guy.
Another guy pushing across.
Good work. That is how we do it.
Fuck, that was fucking crazy. Oh.
The amount of times I've got the flying pistol whip kill, it's a little bit dirty.
Dude, you saved us right there. Like, I was shooting that guy and he downed me with that fire shotty and you like, oh, I don't even know,
Oh,
bro.
that's funny. The
After
stuff
that
we
one.
have to do to actually get a win. It's just, it's not easy. That's good though. It was a good game.